Welcome to Techie. Today, we're diving into Google's big reveal, the Pixel 10 lineup, and the bold AI leap that's leaving Apple and Samsung scrambling to keep up. At its New York event, Google introduced the Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro XL, and the Pixel 10 Pro Fold, along with the brand new smartwatch. While hardware upgrades in performance and cameras are expected, the spotlight is firmly on artificial intelligence. Google's cognitive AI system Gemini has taken center stage. Building on AI since the Pixel 7, this time Google has doubled down, turning Gemini into the core of the Pixel experience, a move that highlights Apple's struggles in the AI race. The standout innovation is Magic Q. Unlike past gimmicky AI tools, Magic Q is designed for real-world use. Imagine a friend asking where to meet for dinner. It instantly pulls reservation info from Gmail and crafts a response. Call your airline, and it displays your flight details without app hopping. With trips in your calendar, it syncs with weather to provide tailored updates. Google is showing us that AI can be useful in daily life, not just flashy. Google stresses privacy. Magic Q runs locally, not in the cloud. Data stays in an isolated space on the Pixel. Apps can't access info without explicit user permission, easing concerns about privacy in AI. Pixel 10 also brings real-time voice translation, camera coach for better photography, and AI-powered editing tools that respond to natural language. Combined with Google's camera legacy, these tools reimagine how people interact with their devices. Still, Google faces challenges. Only 3% US market share compared to Apple's 49% and Samsung's 31%. While Samsung is pushing its own Galaxy AI, Apple lags. Siri won't catch up until 2026. For now, Google leads in everyday AI, Samsung is close behind, and Apple is trailing. So, are we entering the era where AI becomes the must-have smartphone feature? It sure looks that way. Google has set the pace, and the competition is heating up. Thanks for watching with Techie. Tap like, subscribe, and ring that bell so Techie keeps showing up in your feed.